Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable multi-device on Imo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Imo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Security and Privacy. Then tap on Manage Devices. Next, you can see the option of multi-device. Turn on it by tapping on it. Next, tap on Enable. So this is how you can enable multi-device on Imo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.